Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and wireless module. Removal. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, webcam, and display panel cables for later replacement. Disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the webcam and display panel cables from the routing channel that secures them to the top cover. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Carefully lift the top cover and open the notebook. While supporting the top cover, remove the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: system board with memory modules and heatsink, battery, power connector cable, speakers, hard disk drive assembly, solid-state drive, USB board, touchpad board, RTC battery. Insert the alignment pins on the top cover into the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, replace the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Close the notebook. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the top cover. Route the webcam and display panel cables through the routing channel on the top cover. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel cable ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the system board. Connect the touchscreen cable into its connector on the system board.